What do you think, Jackson? What do you think? What do you think, Tate? You ready to get out of this truck? You boys have been so good today. You've been so good. What? What? You think so? What do you think, Jax?
Okay, that's enough. Enough kisses.
I think these boys are happy to be out of the truck. We're happy to be out of the truck, I think. That was some harrowing driving, huh?
Yeah, well, the whole previous however many hours it was seemed like a breeze.
Yeah, it really was.
50 miles seemed like it took 8 hours.
We left at about 2:30 this morning. A little bit before 2:30.
3:30 Eastern.
Not a lick of traffic until, what about Kansas City?
Yeah.
Which was great. That's the way to do it. Leave in the middle of the night. But we're here in Topeka at a state park just for the night. And then we'll get up early and we'll head towards Denver tomorrow. It's raining. And it's going to rain probably all night.
It's not just raining. It's monsooning.
It's raining cats and dogs and parakeets and zebras and lions and tigers and bears. So we're going to get some rest and probably take a nap and then make some dinner and then go back to bed. And we'll get up probably in the middle of the night again and drive. We like doing that middle of the night driving because there's nobody else on the road. So we're pretty tired. So stay tuned, guys. We're headed to Utah. And we only have one reservation made for the first 4 nights that we're in Utah. And then beyond that, we don't know where the road's going to take us. It's going to be an adventure. Okay. Tate's already passed out and he's sound asleep. He's already dead to the world.
Jax wants to play.
Jax wants to play. Yes. Yes. He's such a sweet boy.
Where's Retta?
Okay. We'll see you guys later. Travel safe. We had a great campsite at Lake Shawnee State Park in Topeka. Nice lakeside view. And I made some pulled pork barbecue for dinner with coleslaw. It was quite delicious. We went to bed. And we had some storms in the middle of the night. And it was a beautiful sunset, though. And then we got up early and headed to Denver. We got up early Sunday morning and hit the road. When we drove across Kansas, it was kind of fun to see all the Wizard of Oz references. We didn't, unfortunately, stop to see any of the memorabilia or anything. We had a lot of things to see. My daughter's name is Riley, so we thought that was cool. And my family name is Ellsworth. None of my family would be surprised to see that there wasn't a whole lot going on in Ellsworth. There was just a sign along the side of the road that said, "Entering Ellsworth city limits." And this is pretty much all we saw after that. So it was kind of cool to drive across Kansas and see the rolling landscapes. But it was really windy. So we took a pit stop here at the Sonic in Oakley. And at a gas station, I found some really lovely lilacs, which brightened things up in the cab of the truck. So once we arrived in Aurora, Colorado, we got set up at Cherry Creek State Park. This park sits what seems like right in the middle of Denver. It's a very large state park, so if you do get in the area, stop by. We ate at a Mexican restaurant that had amazing mole. The place was called Molcajete, and it's in Aurora, Colorado. We met up with some friends. My friend Diane and I hadn't seen each other since we roomed together in Paris about 4 years ago, so that was really special. Thanks, Diane. We finished the night off by watching the Game of Thrones finale, and I got a message from Diane that there was a large winter storm headed right towards us. It would be in the mountain passes, so we got up and left at about 2 a.m. Next stop, Utah. Don't miss our next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications. We really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks!